In this tutorial, I'm going to show a few quick, easy ways to drastically reduce the file size of the final project for long-term storage. So the first really easy trick is when you're importing media via, for example, import media, ensure leave files in place is checked instead of copy library. This basically uses the original files instead of making a copy, so there isn't a duplicate within the Final Cut Pro project folder. You just want to make sure that you keep the original files in the original place for long-term storage, so that you can find them easily in the future if you need them. Okay, so you've finished your project and now you want to create a backup with everything except for the media itself, since the media is what constitutes the huge bulk of the space of the project. And you don't really need it if it's elsewhere, because you can just import it later. So the trick I use for this is find the project FCP bundle, right click, show package contents, find the event folder, render files, delete everything here. This is just cache, as in CACHE, so you don't need it. Video segmentation files as well, delete everything there. So this used to be over 100 gigabytes, and now it is 32.1 megabytes. That's quite a big difference. And just to clarify, if you did not import media leaving files in place, if you instead made a copy of the media, this original media folder would also be taking up a huge amount of space, relatively, or absolutely. So if you did not do that process that was mentioned at the start of the video, then assuming that the original copies are elsewhere and they could all be imported later, you can just delete everything in this folder as well. In this case, I did choose to leave files in place when I imported them, so as you can see here, these are all shortcuts, and they don't take up much space at all. Basically 0 bytes.